Hey y'all, it's Jamie Deen here. Happy Memorial Day. Who needs a drink? Today we're doing a drink, but we're not just going to do any drink. We're going to do a drink where you got to cook a little bit. I got 1 cup of water boiling on the stove. And what I'm going to do is make a simple syrup. I'm going to add 3 big old cups of sugar to this. And I'm going to let this dissolve all the way down, and it's not going to take very long. We're in boiling water. In this recipe, I want this to simmer for a few minutes. So I'm gonna leave it on high until we get our sugar dissolved. Making drinks is really a fun way to bring your kids, your whole family, any flavors that you love into the kitchen. A homemade cocktail, perfect for the adults at the end of the day. So many different things that you can do. Today, y'all, we're gonna do a strawberry basil lemonade. So I'm gonna cook my simple syrup. I'm gonna add strawberries and we're gonna add basil. And this is gonna simmer at a very, very good kind of not too high, not too low. I want all this cooking out, and it's gonna take about 5 minutes. You see how my sugar's gotten dissolved down into the water now? It's not grainy, kind of cloudy. That's 3 cups of sugar and 1 cup of water. This is gonna be cloudy because it is super duper sweet. But not sweet enough. We're gonna add a pound of whole and sliced fresh strawberries. Now you can stop right here and put this on top of sponge cake with some homemade whipped cream if you wanted to. Not today. We're gonna add basil. This would probably be good on ice cream too, but I'm not gonna take a chance. I've got, I don't know how much basil I have, 2 cups of fresh basil. Now we're cooking. Basil, strawberries, simple syrup. I'm gonna let this cook on a slow simmer for about 5 minutes. We're not gonna rush this because we're gonna strain this off, but this is the bottom flavor of our homemade lemonade. 5 more minutes, y'all stick around, we'll finish her up. The bonus for this recipe, y'all, is how this smells in your house. The strawberry and the basil smells fantastic. If you want to get a muddler and really muddle this down, you can. You can get every little bit out of it that you can. I've slow cooked it for 5 minutes though. I trust that all the flavor is there. So I'm gonna strain off all this. Got one of Mama's old, I believe that's a flour sifter. I'll have to get this cleaned up before she comes back. Let this drip down really good. To this, y'all, we now are gonna add 3.5 quarts, 3.5 quarts of really cold water.
3.5 cups of water, cups, not quarts.
3.5 cups of water. Of course, Teresa, 3.5 quarts, that would be ridiculous. And then we have 2 cups of lemon juice. This is real lemon juice. Our Meyer lemons aren't in my mama's yard yet, so we're having to use that today. Meyer lemon tree is fantastic. If y'all have ever had one, it is so good. And now here comes this. Ooh, y'all, look at that. Great day in the morning. I'm gonna swizzle this up a little bit. Look how pretty that is. Looks like it's the color of a sunset.
Want me to tell you something funny?
Tell me.
It was supposed to be 3.5 quarts.
3.5 quarts of water. That's what I told Teresa. How much did we put in here? 3 cups, y'all. We'll be right back. Thanks, Teresa. Quarts, not cups.
Here's the extra water with a little bit of ice for you.
Okay. Thanks, T. Love you, babe. We love each other. So this is 3.5 quarts of really cold water. Now look, we have gone, I would recommend that you find somewhere in the middle here.
I should have let you do it and then had your face
Oh, I would have done it.
with the lemon. That would have been funny.
I would have done it. Okay, y'all, this is what we've got for this. I'm gonna make me a quick little drink because I do want to taste it. You know, oh my gosh, this is, here we go. This is part of the fun of cooking for me, y'all, is getting into the kitchen, having some laughs and being with friends. All that stuff you see on TV where it's perfect, It takes a long time to shoot 30 minutes of TV. I'd rather leave it in and have fun. Thank you for your help, Teresa. So we've got our simple syrup, strawberries and basil. We've strained it. It's gone in. 2 cups of fresh lemon juice, 3.5 quarts of cold water, and voila. That looks like summer to me, y'all. Hey T, you got one more piece of basil or did we cook it all?
We cooked it all like it did. That was my fault.
Whenever y'all want to do this, save a little piece of basil for yourself too. And put your strawberry right there on the lid. Cheers, y'all. God, that is delicious. The strawberries kind of so good, Mom. I'll let you have a sip.
Okay, thank you.
Well, thanks, y'all. I'm Jamie Deen. This is a good drink. I'll see y'all around the kitchen.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.